Nothing. Just a little something in my throat.
Would you mind closing the window? It's starting to hurt my ears.
Your eyes closed.
All right, fine.
Oh, watch the tree.
What's
Okay, now keep your eyes closed. I'm just gonna put this over your eyes. Keep your eyes closed.
This is so cheesy.
What? It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be great.
I'm sure it is.
There we go. Now let me just see what I can do here. Oh, keep that on. Keep your eyes shut.
Okay.
Okay.
God.
Oh, it's gonna be great. You'll see. It's gonna be just magical. All right. Okay, that's there. There. I'm sorry.
Are you finished yet? It smells like baby puke in here.
Yeah, give me a minute. I'm almost ready.
Hey, where the hell is my surprise?
Now isn't a good time. I've got to get home.
Fine.